This product was sent to me from a brand to do an honest review, and I may earn commissions on this video. So this is the cam. You will need to provide your own TF card. They do not give you a memory card. So how this is going to work, let's block this. You're going to mount it on kind of like this on your windshield, and then you can rotate your camera however you want. Depends on your position. You have all your modes and settings on here. Your back camera, now this can be put on the side, the back, anywhere you want to put it. Make sure you peel off the plastic on the lens. You got your manual in there, tools, double-sided bracket, plenty of cable length for running your cams where you want it. You get your 12-volt adapter, plug right in here for powering your units. Again, they give you plenty of cable for running it, so you're not going to have a problem there. All you really need is your TF card and you're ready to go.